Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. No be me talk this one o, na David Thoreau. But make I break am down for street level. Bus driver no dey wait for customer for house. E dey road steady. Stay busy, stay moving. Na there success go jam you. My people, sometimes the problem no be say opportunity no dey, na you never dey motion. Life dey reward movement, even small steps still count. You know how bus driver go start early morning, even before day break, e no sabi who go enter first, but you know say if you no reach road, nobody go enter at all. That's how your dream be o, e no go meet you for bed. This week, I wan make you enter the bus driver mode. No wait make condition perfect before you start. No dey find who go support first. Move and support go meet you. No dey calculate every fare. The road go open once you dey inside motion. Sometimes na the consis ten cy wey dey look boring dey bring the brightest breakthrough. Na why person wey dey too busy building something no even get time to dey doubt himself. Na work dey push am forward. Ask yourself today, wetin be the thing wey I fit start or continue this week wey go push me closer to my goal? No overthink am. Move, try, show up. Consis ten cy no dey lie, e dey pay. Remember, success no dey find people for house. Success dey meet people for road. Keep going, keep showing up. Your own bus stop of blessing dey near. This na Street MBA with Kapick. Go hustle smart, go hustle steady. Make your movement loud pass your excuses. Catch you next week, my people. For sharing.